Good morning, students. How are you? This is your science teacher, Teacher Afreen. Okay, I'm going to start with the date. Today is Thursday, 23rd April 2020. Take out your learner's book, page number 50 and 51. Unit is 5.2 and our topic is staying safety. Okay, students, come on, focus on your learner's book, page number 50 and 51. Today we are going to study about some sentences, true and false. Number one is never use a damaged wire. We should touch the damaged wire, or we should not touch the damaged wire. We should not use a damaged wire. So you can see on your screen there is a damaged wire and it is touched by your finger. If we are touching any damaged wire, the current from the wire will insert in our body and it can cause electric shock. So we should not use a damaged wire. This sentence is correct. We will write here true. Now the second sentence is we can touch wall socket or switch with wet hands. We can touch wall socket or switch with wet hands. If our hands are not dry, it is wet, and we are touching any switches or any sockets, the current will directly come towards the water and it will be a very problem. Okay, so we should only touch any switches or wall socket when our hands are dry. So this sentence is wrong, false. We can touch wall socket or switch with wet hands. This is false. Now the third sentence is we should not be careful when using electricity. We should not be careful when using electricity. When we are using electricity, we should not be careful. We should put our finger inside the socket. We should touch the switches with the wet hands. So if we are doing like this, what will happen? It can be a big problem. There can be an electrical shock and it can hurt us and it can kill us also. So we should be very careful. This sentence is false. We should not be careful when using electricity. This sentence is false. Now the number 4 sentence is never put anything into a wall socket. Never put anything into a wall socket. If we are putting anything like a screwdriver, any nail, any pin or the spoon or our pen into the socket, the current will come directly from the socket towards our body and we can be hurt very badly, we can be die. So we should be very careful. So what is the sentence? Never put anything into a wall socket. This sentence is correct. We will write here true. Now number 5 is do not put any electrical device in the mouth. Now revise of all the true false sentences. Number 1, never use a damaged wire. True. Number 2, we can touch wall socket or switch with wet hands. False. Number 3, we should not be careful when using electricity. False. Number 4, never put anything into a wall socket. True. Number 5, do not put any electrical device in the mouth. True. Now your homework is a worksheet. It is on the next slide. I will show you. This is your homework worksheet. What you have to do, the question is each pair of pictures shows something safe and something not safe. Mark on cross over the picture that is not safe. On the worksheet there are 8 boxes. In each box there are 2 pictures. One picture is showing safety for us and another one is showing that is not safe for us. So we have to cross which picture is not safe for us. Okay, so do your homework carefully. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye students. And you must learn from this topic that we should be very careful when we are using electricity. Okay students, bye. Happy Ramadan.